Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome to Autotech Tools. Today we're diving into the basics of vehicle diagnostics. If you're curious about how these mysterious warning lights on your dashboard get deciphered, you're in the right place. So, what are vehicle diagnostics? It's like giving your car a checkup, and the tools we use for that are diagnostic tools. These nifty devices communicate with your car's onboard computer through something called the OBD port. From simple code readers to advanced scan tools, these tools act as a bridge, helping us understand what's going on under the hood. Now, let's talk about the hero of the diagnostic world, the OBD-II scanner. This handheld device plugs into your car's OBD port and retrieves diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. Think of these codes as your car's way of telling you something might be up. But it's not just about reading codes. The OBD-II scanner also gives us real-time data from sensors and control units. It's like having a conversation with your car, and it's super helpful for figuring out what needs attention. Now, these codes and data might look like a bunch of numbers and jargon, but don't worry, that's where the magic happens. Diagnostic tools translate all this technical info into plain language, making it easier for mechanics and even car owners to understand what's happening. This understanding is crucial. It helps us diagnose issues, perform maintenance, and make informed decisions about keeping our vehicles in top-notch condition. And there you have it, a quick intro into the basic of vehicle diagnostics. It's like a conversation between you and your car, with diagnostic tools as the translator. If you enjoyed this crash course, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more automotive insight, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Do you have questions or specific topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning into Autotech Tools. Until next time, happy diagnosing.